The rocker switch allows you to turn your router on and off. After years of use, the switch will wear out and no longer work. Sometimes a worn switch will work intermittently before failing completely. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top cover from the router. Now I can pull the switch from the motor housing. There's 4 wires that connect to the bottom of the switch. I'll note the location of each wire and then remove them. There's a trim piece around the switch that I'll need to remove and transfer to the new switch. To remove it, I press the tabs in on the back side of the switch and just slowly work it off of the switch housing. And I'll install the new switch into the trim. The side of the trim with this raised tab goes towards the on side. Now I can reinstall the wires. And slide the switch and wires back down into the housing. Now I can reinstall the speed control lever. The notch on the back of the lever fits over the tab on the speed control. And I'll reinstall the housing and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new rocker switch in your Porter cable router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.